The Earth and the Moon share a unique and significant relationship in our solar system. In this episode, we will learn about Earth-Moon relation, in which we will discuss facts, formation and exploration. Before proceeding further, to know more about such exciting content and our apps, visit our official website factover.com. We also publish documentaries on different topics. Subscribe to our channel to be the first to see all our upcoming episodes. So, let's get started. Formation. The Earth and the Moon are thought to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago when a Mars-sized object, often referred to as Theia, collided with the early Earth. This catastrophic impact led to the ejection of debris, which eventually coalesced to form the Moon. Distance. The average distance between the Earth and the Moon is approximately 238,855 miles, 384,400 kilometers. This distance can vary due to the elliptical shape of the Moon's orbit, ranging from about 225,623 miles, 363,104 kilometers, at its closest, perigee, to 251,966 miles, 405,696 kilometers, at its farthest, apogee. Gravity. The Moon has about 1/6 the gravity of Earth. This difference in gravitational force is responsible for various phenomena, including the tides on Earth. The gravitational pull of the Moon creates 2 high tides and 2 low tides on Earth each day. Synchronous rotation. The Moon is in synchronous rotation with the Earth, meaning it takes about the same amount of time to rotate on its axis as it does to orbit the Earth. As a result, we always see the same face of the Moon from Earth, known as the near side, while the far side remains hidden unless observed from space. Impact craters. Both the Earth and the Moon bear the scars of countless impacts from meteoroids and asteroids over their long histories. The Moon's lack of an atmosphere and geological activity has preserved many of these impact craters, providing valuable insights into the history of our solar system. Orbit and eclipse. The Moon's orbit around the Earth and the Earth's orbit around the Sun are responsible for solar and lunar eclipses. Solar eclipses occur when the Moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, casting a shadow on the Earth. Lunar eclipses occur when the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, causing the Earth's shadow to fall on the Moon. Scientific exploration. The Moon has been the subject of extensive scientific exploration, both by crewed missions, Apollo program, and robotic spacecraft. The Apollo missions, conducted by NASA in the late 1960 and early 1970, allowed astronauts to land on the Moon's surface, collect samples, and conduct experiments. United States, NASA. The United States is known for its Apollo program, which included 6 crewed missions between 1969 and 1972 that successfully landed astronauts on the Moon. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, has been orbiting the Moon since 2009, mapping its surface and studying its environment. Soviet Union, former. The Soviet Union's lunar program achieved several significant milestones in lunar exploration, including the first successful impact and soft landing on the Moon in the 1950 and 1960. China, CNSA. China has made significant strides in lunar exploration. The Chang'e program includes multiple missions, such as Chang'e 3, which successfully landed a rover named U2, Jade Rabbit, on the Moon in 2013. Subsequent missions, like Chang'e 4 and Chang'e 5, have furthered China's lunar exploration efforts. Russia, Roscosmos. Russia, in collaboration with the European Space Agency, ESA, launched the Lunar Globe program with the goal of sending robotic landers to the Moon. India, ISRO. India's Chandrayaan-1 mission in 2008 discovered water molecules on the lunar surface. India's Chandrayaan-2, launched in 2019, aimed to land a rover on the Moon, although the lander encountered difficulties during its descent. Chandrayaan-3, launched in 2023, Chandrayaan-3 is a follow-up mission to Chandrayaan-2. It includes a lander and rover, and is designed to soft land on the lunar south pole. Chandrayaan-3 successfully soft landed on the Moon on August 22, 2023. And, important thing is that, this mission is huge success on the terms of scientific exploration. The rover involved in this mission has successfully conducted the scientific experiments on moon soil and has concluded involvement of lot of essential minerals in it. Japan, JAXA. Japan's JAXA launched the Selene Kaguya mission in 2007, which studied the moon's gravity field and mapped its surface in detail. South Korea, KARI. South Korea entered lunar exploration with the launch of its lunar orbiter, the Korea Pathfinder Lunar Orbiter, KPLO, in 2022. Israel, Spacel. Israel Spacel attempted to land a small robotic spacecraft, Beresheet, on the moon in 2019. Although it encountered issues during its descent, it marked Israel's entry into lunar exploration. Private companies. Private companies like SpaceX have announced plans for lunar missions. SpaceX's Starship is intended to carry humans to the moon and potentially establish lunar bases. Future exploration. There is continued interest in exploring the moon for its scientific and potential resource value. Various space agencies, including ISRO, NASA and international partners, are planning future missions to the moon, with the goal of establishing a sustainable presence there. In summary, the Earth and the moon have a multifaceted relationship shaped by their shared history, gravitational interactions, and scientific significance. This relationship continues to be a subject of study and exploration in the field of planetary science and astronomy. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel for even more fun facts, and share it with your friends. For a more immersive experience, visit our official website, factober.com, which has engaging content on exciting things like history, travel, nature, wildlife, technology, lifestyle, and much more. Also, visit